and cooling and protecting your home from storm damage, Florida has to be among the trickiest places to live. Well, our next guest, Chelsea Zerpola, is here to talk about how Renewal by Andersen Jacksonville can keep your home cooler in the summer, safer in a storm. But here's the thing, Chelsea, I am new to the whole process, and because you and Jana have had so many really cool conversations about it, I'm kind of starting from the beginning. Now, I do know new windows and new doors in your home can make a huge difference, and that's the juicy fun part of it.
Love that.
But there's a lot of really smart reasons why it's an investment worth making. So welcome, first of all.
Thank you for having me. It's always fun to talk windows and doors.
Yes, especially because, like I said, I have a lot to learn. Like, for example, I had never even heard of a window whose warranty will be like transferable. I've never known that to even exist in life. So tell me about this.
It's so fun because it really allows you to know that you're making the right investment. And if you were not to, if you were to leave your forever home and move on to a different home, you can definitely transfer that warranty over to the next homeowner.
Which is a huge selling point, but I don't want to leave. I want to live in my home with my brand new beautiful door and my brand new beautiful windows. Why are these windows different than any other windows we've had? People from the north know all about Renewal by Andersen versus Floridians. We're just kind of catching on. Why is that?
It's so interesting. We have a product called Fibrex. So the innovation of Renewal by Andersen and Andersen, over 100 years of innovation, and really allowing us to have a product like Fibrex, which is a wood composite, and it does so well in our environment for Florida. And it really makes you confident in not only the ability for it to protect your actual family during a storm, but it allows you to know that that's a product that's going to last.
That's the big thing right there, because you're making an investment in your home, which nobody faults you for doing. But in this time where prices are going up and people are pinching pennies, whatever, one thing you don't want to do is blow money on your electric bill when you could be saving and having a luxury window, luxury door, something beautiful and custom. Yes. You can't just walk in somewhere and go through a slider and pick a window. How does it work?
It's definitely custom made. So our designers come to your home. It's a free consultation, and they actually walk through your particular project. They listen to what you would like to do and allows you to design the windows of your dreams and the doors that really will complement your outdoor space.
Oh, this is in Florida, outdoors should be part of our indoors.
Yes.
And the right windows make that happen. Absolutely. We have a lot more we have to talk about in the coming weeks and months. But what you should be thinking about is calling today to schedule your free in-home design consultation. How fun does that sound? Go to bestwindowsflorida.com, or you can just give a call, 904-586-4024. We'll make sure that number's on your screen for more details about custom windows and doors from Renewal by Andersen. And if you mention River City Live when you call, receive 20% off your project.
Yes, limited time offer.
Limited time, so don't sleep on that one. And Chelsea, it was such a pleasure to meet you.
So great to meet you as well.
And I'm looking forward to more chats with you in the future.
Absolutely.